Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your Lenovo Touchpad. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So you might have issues with your touchpad. All you have to do is to first try to unlock it. So sometimes you might have accidentally locked it on your laptop. So on your laptop, just simply click on the function key, and then usually it's at either F10 or at F12, whatever one that has the lock screen of the touchpad on it locked. So for example, if I click on that right now, I have just locked it, and if I just click again, I have unlocked it. So those sometimes have little shortcuts on the laptop, but in case that still doesn't work, then all you have to do is to go to your settings. In the settings, then from here you're going to go to devices. Then from here you're going to click on the touchpad, and then from here you're going to make sure that this box that says leave touchpad on when a mouse connected is on, because sometimes this might be off by default, so make sure that it is on once you have the mouse pad. And if that doesn't work once you have done it, all you have to do is exit out. Then from here you're going to search for device manager. Then from device manager is going to show you this list right here, and then under it there's going to be human interface devices, and you're going to locate your touchpad. If you don't find it, then you can just click on view, and then you're going to click on show hidden devices, and you might see a lot of right here. So as you can see, we have found touchpad. Right click on it and then uninstall it. Once you uninstall it, then you restart your computer. It's going to install it again, and hopefully that should fix it, and it works now. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.